Do you want to give your photos a cool digital twist? Try the glitch effect for a futuristic distorted look. Just easily click on PhotoDirector, choose your image. Actually, this is the home page. Then you click on Edit, choose your image, and then click on Effects. And here you can find glitch. You can choose from different ones, or you can adjust your own settings. Just try to experiment with it, and finally your image will look like a broken screen or an old computer look. It's perfect for edgy edits or just a creative touch. Hope you liked the video. Click on the check mark, save your image, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.